Okay. Everyone, guys, tab 1702 is now open for all. Ano yung tab 1702? Tab 1702 is a basic building repair project. JM, record, thank you. This is a basic building repair project. Okay? Ano yung gagawin sa basic building repair? We have to draw the buildings precisely. We have to draw the walls, the corners, everything precisely. Pero, with a twist din tong project natin kasi meron tayong existing building tapos may water, may bridge, may forest. So, later on, sasabihin ko yung mga extent ng ibang attributes na yan, iisa-isahin natin. So, for now, no more questions muna dyan sa chat box or wala muna oo ng mic, magsasabing share screen, pakita ko lang tong error na to. Wala mo na magtatrabaho sa inyo kahit for the brief moment lang na nagkakaroon tayo ng session. Okay? So standard building repair, draw building corners precisely. Do not cut residential buildings. Draw multi-layer for big buildings. Capture anything above grounds. So ito muna yung unahin ko. Capture anything above grounds. That means ika-capture natin yung mga terrace, extensions ng bahay, yung bridge, overpass, yung mga anything above grounds na naka-elevate. Okay? For the water, for the forest, di ko na rin naman bigyan pa ng diin yung ating attributes para dyan. Kasi napakaliit ng ating mask and then usually wala tayong gagalawin dyan except na lang mga ganito. Pag nakakita kayo ng water na kagaya nito na nasa dark area or dark part ng ating map, we have to delete that. We do not have to capture that or we do not have to retain those labels. Okay? Ito yung forest na yan, that is all good. We do not have to fix na rin yan. So, yung bridge, again, uulitin ko, kagaya nito. Hello? Yung bridge, kagaya nito, for this one, this, hey, hello? Aiza? Yes? Okay. For the bridge, example, this is a bridge. Example, this is a bridge. We have to label it as a bridge. Pero yung pag-label natin, parang land cover siya. Okay? Parang land cover siya, pero letter Y yung pag-label. Y. Ay, shit. Sorry. Okay? So, kung ganyan kayo mag-label, kung for example, bridge yan. Pero out of working extent ka nang pala, so sorry. For the building itself, guys, pag nakakuha kayo ng mga red buildings or green buildings, kapag malaki yung error, natin yung forest, pag malaki yung error, hindi siya kagaya ng shape ng bahay. We have to relabel it. Okay, kasi nandyan sa ating rules, sa gilid, sa banner, nakalagay dyan, draw building corner precisely. Siguro hindi ko na rin naman kailangan i-indent pa yung part na yan, di ba? Or ibigyan pa ng masyadong maraming pansin, di ba? Louis Leo. Louis Leo?
Yes, sir.
Louis, stop working muna. May mga mapa kang napasa na sira.
Oo nga, sir. Yung unang napasa ko, sir.
Okay. So for the red labels, guys, uulitin ko, we have to draw them precisely. Okay? So capture corners precisely.
Excuse me, sir.
If tumama sa grid yung kagaya nito, yes bro.
Wala na existing red label na tanan.
Ayun, yes. Oh. Pero may-ari pa din siya, so abot silingon may-ari pa na hasta karon. May magwa pa na pag isa-isa. So again, draw building corners precisely. So for this map, ayan lang yung bahay, papasa ko na yan. That is all good to go. For this map, okay, naghahalo yung forest natin sa ating building. So para maiwasan nating sumakit yung mata natin, press F3. That is F3. para ma-turn off yung forest and then makapag-focus tayo sa buildings only. Okay? Sir, kulay pula po lahat. Pasa ko na po to kasi okay yung ating rules no last. Hindi guys. Uulitin ko. This is a standard building repair. Draw building corners precisely. Giovanni, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Carlo, nandito ka? Carlos. Gallardo. Naririnig mo ako? Carlos. Gallardo. See? Hindi. Wala pala dito. So, mamaya magkakaproblema yan.
Nasubmit na siya, nasubmit. Nandito siya.
Nandito.
Oo, nandito siya. Pero, nakikinig ba?
Yung
AFK.
ulo,
Nakikinig ba? Yun yung tanong.
Wala.
AFK.
AJ, sa'yo yan ha?
Lead spot.
Sa'yo yan, AJ ah. So, again guys, yung kulay red na mga buildings na yan, kailangan nating ayusin lahat. Okay? Hindi natin pwedeng hayaang nakakat yan. Okay? Hindi natin pwedeng hayaan na naka-unmerge yan. So, ganito. For example, ganito yung itsura. Hindi po ito pasok. Hindi pa to lusot sa atin. Hindi pa to lusot sa rules natin. Okay? Isang bahay lang to lahat. Okay? Isang bahay lang po yan. Hindi yan individual house. Or kung individual house man siya, dapat meron siyang gap kagaya nito. So, yung gagawin ko na lang dito is to merge that one and then try to label the corners precisely. And that is all good. Sa bahay na to, may ground sa gitna. So, yung gagawin, tanggalin yung ground na yan. Tapos, i-delete. Eto, naka-cut sila. So, yung gagawin din is i-draw sila as one. Tinanggal ko yung isa kasi hindi naka-right angle or pwede rin namang i-merge nyo tapos ayusin nyo yung part which is hindi naka-right angle sa bahay. So, again, ito, nakadikit din sa bahay. May part dito. So, yung gagawin ko is to draw it precisely. Kakat ko dito sa gitna. Bakit? Kasi may driveway siya dyan, may driveway siya dito. It means dalawang bahay yan, separate. Merong fence sa gitna. So, dapat dito, medyo mag-ingat kayo. Hindi pwede dito yung pwede na. Dapat dito yung sakto or tama na. For the backyard house, kung magka-separate sila ng property, we have to cut as well. Kung dalawa yung driveway niya, it means that is a two houses na nakadikit. We have to cut it in the middle din kasi may linya din sa gitna. And then yung corners na to, we have to capture it as well. So ganyan dapat yung itsura niya. For the missing parts, this is a big error already. So kailangan nating i-capture yung mga missing parts na yan. Yung wall, naka-wall pero wala siyang wall, or naka 3D pero wala siyang wall, we have to click the label, select that label, press Ctrl Q para tanggalin yung 3D. Kasi wala naman siyang wall, bakit siya naka 3D? Driveways, we have to delete. Unmerge buildings, we have to merge. Draw building corners precisely. Ground. Kakat natin to. Tanggalin yung ground. Naka-separate yung building as you can see. Separate din natin. Ito, isang bahay lang yan. Merge. Same as here. Merge. Pero, may corners. So, we have to capture those corners precisely as much as we can.